to make online education and courses website for free using squarespace.com. Hey guys, welcome to this new tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how you can create your own website for free using Squarespace platform. So this is the platform. You can just click on get started to get started, and here you can see a lot of pre-made templates that will make your work easier. You can just choose a pre-made template that matches your niche, and you can just empty it and fill it with your information and your products and or your services. And for us in this video, we can fill it with our courses. So here you can filter by type, if it's an online store, portfolio or memberships, or you can filter it by topic, if it's about health, beauty, entertainment, community, local business. So you have here a variety of options to choose from. So let's see if we can find education. So I think we don't have education in here. So let's just scroll and see what we can find. So those are not about education. So here you have this blank template where you can build your website from scratch. For the people who don't like taking other templates and working on them, you can just choose this one and you can build your template from scratch. But I like saving time, so I'm just going to use one of the templates that the platform already suggests and offers. So we will just scrolling to see if we can find a good template for our niche. So let's see what we can find. I think this one would do the work, but let's just scroll. So I am going to choose this one, but first I'm going to preview it. Its name is Lusaka. I'm going to click on view demo site to see the website in full width. So it's about empowering teachers and students for a brighter future, supporting education and innovation. So it's about charity, I think. So it's about charity. As you can see, the donate button in here. So you can just choose this one just to show you an example of how we can set our store, our website. Sorry, I don't know why I said store, but anyways, they're setting our things up. They will request us to give them a title for our website. We can always skip that part, but for me I'm going to give it a title to organize my work, because you can create multiple websites using this platform. So I don't want to get mixed between my websites. So I'm just going to give it a title. So I'm going to type educational courses, like that, and then I'm going to click on continue and close these tabs. I don't need them anymore. So here in your left you can see a lot of sections, so I'm going to go through each one of them and explain it, starting with website. Click on website and you can see all the pages that you have in the template. You can adjust the pages, you can delete them, or you can create new pages. So let's go back to home and let's proceed to the next section, which is commerce, where you can adjust your orders, inventory, customers. Also you can add your products, or you can add payment processors, or if you want to get paid or to offer subscriptions, if you want to choose subscriptions plans or memberships or anything else you want. So that's just a little review of this section. And the third one is marketing, which is pretty obvious for your marketing and your ads, your setting up your pixels and your email campaigns. We don't need to go through that. Here we have the scheduling, and it's for setting up your calendar to make people schedule appointments and meetings throughout your platform or your website. So we just wait for them to set things up. So here we can create appointment types, set your availability, design your scheduling page, share your scheduling page, and so on. So you can set your availability, and here we have the asset library where you can upload your files and save them here until you want to use them in designing your website. And here you have the analytics where you can see your charts, your orders, your revenue, and your conversion rates, traffic, geography. So you can see all those things in here, but we don't have any data yet. And you can also see your profiles, the profiles of your clients. And last but not least, you can see the settings where you can set up your domain name, Google Workspace, or if you want to make your website go public, you don't want it private anymore, you want to start working. Also, you can change the site languages, and you can set your payment processors in here by clicking on store payments. And you can set your Stripe account, PayPal account, or your Square account if you're from the United States. Also, you can change the currency of your store. So let's go back to home and let's get into editing the platform, or let's get into editing our template. Click on edit and you will see the template goes full width to give you more space to focus on editing your template. So here in the top right you can see the desktop view or the mobile phone view, and also you can see the site styles where you can change the fonts, colors, and animations. Also you can change the buttons shape and stuff like that in here. Let's close that for now. And in the design of the website you can add sections by clicking on this button. You can also edit the site's header from here. You can add a logo, and you can also add blocks from this button. And for the section you can edit it right in here. So I think it's pretty obvious how you can work with this website. So I hope you find this video useful. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and share the video with your friends.